Welcome to the Westport Library tutorial on how to get started with DataAxle, previously known as Reference USA. This database contains information on over 99 million American businesses, the U.S. Standard White Pages, and more. Let's get started on the DataAxle homepage. As you can see here, there are actually a number of resources within this database, from information on U.S. businesses to information on those who have recently moved or become homeowners. Luckily, all of these resources use the same layout, so once you know how to navigate one, you will be able to navigate them all. You'll notice that if you hover your mouse over one of the resource titles, links to Search or to get more information on the resource will pop up. Let's select Search to get into this section. Selecting the title of the section, U.S. Businesses, will also work. If you are looking to do research on one particular company, then you can simply enter its information here and select View Results. If you are looking to do broader research, then select Advanced Search. This brings you to a search menu with lots of ways to filter for results, separated by type. Scrolling down shows you a few more filter options. Now let's organize our search. Within the list of business type filters, let's select the filter for Major Industry Group. This will cause a new box in the center of the page to pop up. Notice that there is a plus sign to the left of each broad industry category. Selecting one will give you additional subcategories, which can often also be expanded in a similar fashion. I'm going to select one, and then use another filter to help get even more specific. Under the geography filters, let's select City/State. This can be a great way to see what businesses in a particular industry are within a particular area. The box with information for the new filter will appear below the previous box. If you choose any more filters, they will continue to stack in the same way. To use this filter, you can select a state from the menu, or else select the blue drop-down arrow next to each state to get a list of cities and towns within that particular state. I want to filter for businesses within just Westport, Connecticut, so I'll click on the town name to select it. You'll see the areas that you have selected show up in this box to the right. Now, in the process of selecting for Westport, I also accidentally selected the whole state of Connecticut. If I run a search like this, it will return results at the broader level. We will get businesses from the whole state. To deselect Connecticut, all I have to do is click on it from the box on the right. And I know it worked, because now the only thing in the box on the right is Westport. Great. Now let's see how many businesses fit this bill. If we want to get a sense of how many results we have before going to the full results page, we can select this button, Update Count. And here we can see that there are just 2 businesses fitting the filters that we selected. To get to the full results page, let's hit View Results. On the results page, you will get a list containing basic information about each result. Note that you can download or print the list by selecting one of the buttons along the top. To get more information on a specific result, simply select the name of the company that you are interested in. This gives you a more in-detail profile of the company, including information like products carried, sales volume, business expenditures, number of employees, stock data if applicable, and more. Profiles on individual companies can also be downloaded or printed out. If we select the download option, then we get several options for download format and whether you want to include summary information, such as we saw on the initial results page, or a more detailed profile like the page we just came from. Hit the Download Records button at the bottom or email records to email them, and you're all set. Now you have everything you need to know to get started with DataAxle. If you have any further questions, please stop by the reference desk or email us at ref@westportlibrary.org.